In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a kit sequence. We're going to walk through, step by step, how to create an automated email sequence in the current kit interface so that your emails can go out on autopilot with the right timing and content. First, you'll want to head into the Sequences area. In your kit dashboard, look for the main navigation and find the tab labeled Send. Under this tab, there's an option called Sequences. Click on that to open the Sequences page. This is where all of your automated flows will live and where you can create new ones. Once you're on the Sequences page, click on Sequences if needed, and then select the option that says New Sequence. This is the starting point for building a fresh, automated series. When you click that, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to build your sequence. Next, you'll be asked to select a template. Templates give you a starting framework so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Pick a template that best matches the type of emails you want to send, such as a welcome series or a follow-up flow. As soon as you select it, the sequence editor will open. Here, give your sequence a clear name so you'll recognize it later, and set a subject line for your first email. Make the name descriptive, like New Subscriber Welcome Sequence, so it's easy to manage when you have multiple sequences. Now it's time to draft your emails. In the left sidebar of the sequence editor, you'll see an option labeled Add Email. Click the Add Email button to create each email in your series. For every email you add, write your content, keep your message focused, and make sure there's a clear call to action. Repeat this process until you've built out the full series you need. After that, configure the timing for each message. For every email, set the delay to control when it should be sent. For example, you might set the first email to send after 0 days, so it goes out immediately, and then set the next one to 1 day, so it sends a day later. Continue adjusting these delays to match the pacing you want for your sequence. Finally, once each email is written and timed, switch its status from draft to published. In the top right corner of each email, you'll see a toggle. Change it to published so the emails can actually send when contacts enter the sequence. Make sure every email in the series is published, and you'll have a fully active kit sequence ready to go.